My name is Sierra. You may recognize me as your friendly neighborhood service delivery manager from the North Grenville Public Library. Welcome to my kitchen. Hope you've been tuning into our Facebook page and our website. We got lots of stuff going on, and today I'm going to be doing something for you. I am going to show you how to make Dalgona coffee. Now, Dalgona is a Korean street candy, basically toffee on a stick. So all you're going to need is instant coffee. You need sugar. You need a tablespoon and some hot water. So first off, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of your instant coffee. 2 tablespoons of the sugar, and basically 2 tablespoons of hot water. After that, you can either whisk it until it doubles in volume, or you can use an electric mixer. I'm going to use an electric mixer because I have a bad wrist. I'm not going to make it sit through me whisking, so we'll come back when I'm done. Alright, so we're back. So you're going to want to whisk that until it doubles in volume, or until you get this kind of nice toffee color. So get a glass. Now you can do this with warm milk or with cold milk. I'm going to do with cold milk today, but it's the milk of your choice. So if you can't have dairy, you can probably do soy. So I'm going to pour it about halfway. And then you just layer your coffee foam on top of your milk. Probably not going to want to use all of it because it does make a lot. Got some on the side there. So you can see how it makes this nice layered look. And then you're done. So get your metal straw here. You might want to just give it a little bit of a stir to get it down there. And then you're done. It's a delicious, nice little iced coffee treat that you can make for yourself at home without having to go anywhere. If you're like my husband, who doesn't like coffee, I live off of caffeine. But if you don't like coffee, or if you have tiny humans at home, you can actually make this for them using cocoa. I used about 1.5 tablespoons, but you're not going to use water. You're going to use about 1/4 cup of whipping cream. So I've already done that. So you can see it there. So whip that basically until you make chocolate whipped cream. So take another glass, same thing, as much milk or whatever milk substitute you want to use. About halfway, and then you layer that on top of your milk. Now if you want to be fancy, if you have some chocolate syrup in your cupboard, you can use that to make some sort of fancy rim in the glass. I don't have any, so I'm not doing that. It doesn't make as much as the coffee does, but same kind of, you can see the layer there, and you can get a straw or just drink it like this. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check in on our website, Facebook. Let us know in the comments below if you tried this out, how you like it. And just stay tuned for more we have going on. We have the story times Mondays and Fridays. We have our craft online on Wednesdays, and Darren with his really cool creature feature on Thursdays. Have fun, stay safe, keep up that social distancing, and we'll see you on the other side.